Hey everyone, this is Prince from Desi Programmer. Welcome back to yet another exciting video. And in this video, we are going to create a group video call application in less than 5 minutes. This video is sponsored by ZEGOCLOUD, which is a great toolkit for building media application. We have SDKs for everything from video call to voice call to live streaming with AI effects. We have virtual avatar, superboard, and also in-app chat. This can be used in multiple situations like social media, education, telecounseling, e-commerce, and creating your own fun little applications. More than that, ZEGOCLOUD also has this create pre-built UI kit tools using which you can easily get started within minutes. ZEGOCLOUD gives us out-of-the-box solution for almost any library or framework present out there. There is support for Android, iOS, web, Flutter that we are using right now, React Native, Windows, Mac OS, Electron.js and whatnot. What makes ZEGOCLOUD even better is these UI kits using which you can get started within minutes. So that's what I'm going to do here, where you can see that we can easily create a nice application. We can also customize the video layout or whatever the app layout that you want to change. And here you can easily get started with one-to-one video calls, group video calls, audio calls, live streaming and whatnot. Now, if you want to use ZEGOCLOUD, the process is very simple. You just have to enter your basic details, create an account, and you will be by default eligible for 10,000 free minutes to start testing any of these cool applications out there. So once you have created your account, you will go to this ZEGOCLOUD console, and you may not have any project present here because you have a new account. So just go to projects, project management, click on create and create a new project for yourself. Once you're done, you can click on your project, whatever it is, and here you will see a few stuff. So you have an app ID, copy this. You have an app signature, copy this. So just click on the I button, copy this, and make sure that you don't show this to anyone. Keep it secret. Now, even before I get started with this group video call, here is a little something that I want to show you. So the previous video we have discussed about live streaming, and you would have seen that in live streaming you can have one or two users on a streaming content to a lot of people. Now some people may get confused between live streaming and group video calls. So that's what I'm going to clear here. Now in live streaming, the basic concept which is provided by almost any company out there is that one person is emitting the video. So that video goes to an edge server, a CDN server, and from there people, it is distributed to people and they watch it. So remember, if I am I'm streaming a video, it will be stored there, and then no matter how many users are there, 1, 10, 100,000, if my CDN server is great, all these people can watch it without any issue. But if you talk about the basic technical details of a video call, that's different. So what happens in a video call is that it's a peer-to-peer connection. So if I am talking to you, I will send my video stream to you and you will send your video stream to me. That's it. So what happens is there is no edge server, here there is no any kind of server in between that goes on. Now what happens in a group video call is a little interesting. Now technically, if you talk about it, the basic idea of a group video call is that I will send my video stream. Let's say there are 3 people in a call, then I will send my video stream to you and to the other person. And the same goes for everyone. So everybody is sending their video stream to all the other people in the group. Now, what companies do, like for example, if you talk about ZEGOCLOUD itself, where if you're doing video call with multiple people, eventually once you have let's say certain amount of users, like let's say 5 or 10 users, now it becomes a hassle. You have to send your own stream to all the 10 users. So what they do is that they make the experience better, and they also include an edge server in here. So what happens is that you are sending your data to a CDN server, and then that is distributing it to other people, hence making the experience a lot better. And that's what we are going to discuss here, and that's why the group video call part is a little different from a one-to-one video call. Now let's take a look at the code. So this is a simple code that we have, and here I have 2 emulators already up and running. Now if you take a look about the code in the call UI kit, what we have is a simple page where you're accepting a user's ID, and then we are using the ZEGO UI kit's pre-built call kit to start a one-to-one video call. If you remember, I told you the basic idea was that if 2 people are joining with the same call ID, which is this 11111 here, they are going to be in the same video call, right? The same is extended to group video calls too. If multiple people are joining with the same call ID, they are all in the same group video call. And that's what we are going to use here. So here, as you can see, we have this 11111, which is being passed as a call ID static ID here. All that I have to change is that I have to change this from one-on-one video call to a group video call. All right. And remember, you can actually change this to a lot of stuff. So you can have a group video call, you can have a group voice call, you can have one-to-one video call, and you can have one-to-one voice call. Right now we are interested in video call. You can just change the parameter, and it will also be set to group voice call too. Now let's start running the application. So I'm first running this on an emulator here, and then I'm running this on another emulator too. So I will be running this on both my emulators, and once this is up and running, we will see the output. well. So I hope you can see that the application is running in both the emulators. Okay, let's log in with two different user IDs. So I have 12 12 12 for one, and then I have 13 13 13 for the second person. Okay, let's connect. Now we are going to join, so let's just enter their own IDs. So we have 13 13 13 joining this. Now one thing, the very basic thing that you should see here as a difference is that if you click on this, now it is going to tell you all the members that are present here. While in a one-to-one video call, these things were not there. You're simply having two person, that's it. So if I join here too with 12 12 12, which is this user's ID, we click on join. Now you can see both of them have two users, and here in this list there are two members right now. Now you can individually mute these members, and that's pretty much it. You can add more users to it. You can keep testing it with multiple users, and that's how you're going to get your group video call here. Okay, you can mute your audio and whatnot. You can turn your camera off, and it will be disappeared. And yep, that's pretty much it from my side in this video. So this is how you can create a very amazing group video call application in less than 5 minutes using ZEGOCloud's UI kit. And that's what I keep asking everybody, that eventually when I started coding, I really wanted to do everything on my own. But with things like this, what happens is that you get your product out in the market a lot faster, which is the end goal at the end of the day. If you are doing it for yourself or if you're doing it for a client, I think this is a great tool. And most importantly, you get the entire stability from a great company. So you don't have to worry about maintaining stuff. You don't have to worry about adding new features and whatnot. Whatever is there in the market, whatever is supposed to come is going to come here eventually, and you will have the great things out of the box. So well, that's it from my side in this video. Till then, keep coding, keep loving, keep sharing. Peace.